If you've been told there's nothing that you can do for a fatty liver besides losing weight, or worse, just keep waiting, then this video is for you. Because while diet and movement are key, certain supplements have been clinically shown to reduce liver fat, lower inflammation, and support the detoxification process. Hi, I'm Sonia Hollis, a qualified nutritional therapist, and in today's video, we're going to be going through the 5 evidence-based supplements that support fatty liver recovery, plus what the science says about dosages, forms, and combinations, and also what to avoid if you want real results without wasting money. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to like and subscribe for our weekly videos on nutrition, energy, and healthy aging. Okay, let's get started. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is primarily driven by insulin resistance, inflammation, and excess fat liver accumulation. Now, it often develops silently, and while weight loss can help, it's not the full picture. You also need to improve your mitochondrial function. Now, these are your cell's energy factories. If they're sluggish, fat starts to build up. Reduce oxidative stress. So think of it like internal rusting that damages liver cells and worsens inflammation. And boost detoxification capacity so your liver can process and clear out the toxins more efficiently. And that's where targeted supplementation can play such a supporting role. So let's go through the top 5 supplements for liver health. We've got milk thistle. Now this is one of the most researched herbs for liver health. The active compound Silymarin has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and liver regenerating properties. It's been shown to reduce ALT and AST, which are liver enzymes, and when elevated, they often signal liver cell damage, and it's been shown to improve liver histology in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Typical doses range between 200 to 400 milligrams per day of Silymarin extract, standardized to 70 to 80%. And making sure to choose the standardized extract or phospholipid bound forms for better absorption. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation and improve lipid metabolism. A 2022 meta-analysis found that omega-3s significantly improved liver fat, GGT, triglycerides, and HDL cholesterol in people who had non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, suggesting that they may be a valuable support strategy. Typical dosages range from 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day of EPA and DHA combined, not just the total fish oil. And make sure that you choose a high quality fish oil which is IFOS certified or algae based omega-3 if vegan. For more information on omega-3s and how to choose the right supplement, then check out this video here. I'll include it in the description below. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory antioxidant that improves insulin sensitivity and reduces liver enzyme levels. Randomized trials have shown that curcumin supplementation has lowered ALT, AST, and reduces liver fat content with a dosage of at least 1,000 milligrams per day. Regular doses seem to be in the region of 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day in a bioavailable form. Curcumin is generally considered safe, even at higher doses, but it may interact with certain medication, including antiplatelet drugs and some chemotherapy or immunosuppressive agents. So as always, please make sure that you check with your healthcare provider before taking any supplements. Glutathione, or NAC, is the body's master antioxidant and it's critical for liver detox. Now, because glutathione is poorly absorbed in standard oral form, NAC is often used as a precursor to boost glutathione levels naturally. Clinical studies have shown that NAC supplementation can lower ALT levels, a liver enzyme that, when elevated, is not only a marker of damage but also a possible predictor of a disease progression in non alcoholic fatty liver disease. One study also found that NAC supplementation over 3 months reduced spleen size in people who had non alcoholic fatty liver disease, potentially reflecting a disease in fatty infiltration and improved blood flow through the liver. Dosages studied has been between 600 to 1200 milligrams per day for NAC or 500 to 1000 milligrams per day for glutathione. Low vitamin D is surprisingly common in people who have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and is been linked to increased liver fat and inflammation. Supplementing with vitamin D3 has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce liver enzyme levels, and some studies suggest it may help to decrease fat buildup in the liver. Typical research dosages in studies have shown to use between 2000 to 5000 IUs of vitamin D3 per day, ideally paired with K2, MK7 to support the calcium balance. But it's always important to test your levels before staying on high dosages long term. Now, vitamin D isn't more is better. And if you've been taking vitamin D for a while and not seeing results, then I have this full video here on why your vitamin D is not working, even if you're taking it daily. So please take a look. I'll include that in the description below. While the top 5 supplements have the strongest clinical backing, there are a few others that show promising support for our liver health, especially when tailored to our individual needs. Choline. Now, this is essential for transporting fat out of the liver. Deficiencies are common in low-fat diets or plant-based diets. Now, while eggs are a rich source of choline, you can get them in supplements, especially in forms such as phosphatidylcholine. Berberine. Now, this is a powerful compound to help improve insulin sensitivity and lipid metabolism, making it especially useful if insulin resistance is at the root of your fatty liver issues. And lastly, taurine. This amino acid is gaining attention for its role in liver fat metabolism and bile flow, which may help to reduce fat accumulation in the liver over time. So, what to watch out for? Don't rely on supplements alone. They do support us, of course they do, but it has to be as part of a healthy diet alongside sleep and movement. And check the quality. Always use third-party tested brands to avoid contaminants. And avoid megadosing. More isn't always better, so stick to the researched amounts. So in summary, your liver is incredibly adaptive, but it needs support. Target inflammation and oxidative stress. Improve insulin sensitivity. Choose supplements with real clinical evidence and pair them with healthy lifestyle foundations. And if you're not sure where to start, work with a qualified professional to personalize your plan and test your levels when needed. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Okay, thank you very much and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.